I'm so excited. Just take a look at this haul that I've got to open. So it's time again to get all these packages open. Hello, my beautiful friends. It's time today for another package opening haul from my freebies. Today, every single one of these are not freebies. They're not. I know one of them, and I haven't opened it yet, but I do know what's coming. I don't know what's inside, really. We'll see. Maybe there's surprises. I love surprises. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, I've got everything here with me. And to start off, I'm going to start out with this box that obviously it's built. And these are some Built bars that I ordered. And I have to admit that they did send me some free samples of these bars before, and that's how I knew that I liked them. So I went ahead and I ordered some more bars, and it's in a flavor that I know that I like. So I'm excited to see what they're gonna taste like. First of all, I got this. It's for immune support, and it's got all the vitamins in there. You can see that I need, like, say, vitamin A, C, D, E, B12, B6, B2, biotin. So it's got all those vitamins in there for me. So that's why I wanted to get this packet. And now it looks like this. We've got in here this box. And I guess I need to, oh, here we go. It comes, the bag is right here. Let's see, get it out of this bag. Okay, here it is. This box is mint brownie, and see, it's a factory second. I got a deal on them for them being factory seconds, because I guess what it is maybe they're not quite perfect looking, but they taste just like the ones that come off the, I guess, the conveyor belts from making them perfectly. These aren't perfect. Neither am I. So there we go. I get the ones that are factory seconds. And to save some money, I'm all for getting some, go ahead and getting some factory seconds. Those I knew about. Those were the biggest box, the heaviest box. So I needed to get those open and looked at. They're pretty much what I expected, but I don't know what's the factory seconds are gonna look like on the inside. Exciting. Okay, this one is a perfume sample. Nice. So it's one of these samples that I've got. It looks like that. The bottle of it would look like that. And it's just one of those Looks like it'll be one of those small ones that I've gotten before. A little sampling there of it. Nice. Let's try it on right now. Why not? Huh? Let's see. Nice flowery scent. Light flowery. Called Beautiful Magnolia. So that's why it is. It's a nice scent. Okay, next. Let's try this. This one's quite heavy. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. We have, looks like it's this. It is, I'm being sent this so that I can review it. It is a laundry detergent, and it comes in an easy dose. I guess you just need to put it upside down, and they're really easy laundry detergent to use. That will be used on my next wash day. So nice. I'll be reviewing that for them and giving them my review online, which I do periodically with 7th Generation. So that's great. Okay, next, one dropped, so let me grab this one. Let's go ahead and see what is in here. Oh, let's see. I'm guessing on this one, says it's from Hello Products. So I don't know if you know what Hello Products are, but that's where it's from. It's a freebie, so okay, it is toothpaste. So they're activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. So I'll be reviewing that. It looks like, asks me, oh, set that over there. It's got this card, so it shows what it looks like. Wanted me to review it for them. So I will be busy trying that out and seeing how I like it, letting them know. That's what I do on a lot of these freebies. It's not that it's, you know, I get these for free and then that's it. I'll give my comments on how I like it, how my husband likes them when we get these free products. So we're getting them for free, but we're giving them information back. So it's like a back and forth type of deal, which is fair, and I totally there for it. That's why I do these, so I don't mind. Oh, let's see. This one looks like it says they are Cheez-It Grooves. Never heard of these. And they gave me 4 of them. So there's 4 of them. Nice. Like I've said before, I wasn't expecting some of these I don't expect. So just like a little paper explaining Cheez-It Groove. So that was absolutely a surprise. So it says that they're white cheddar. So they're, looks like they're white cheddar crackers, like Cheez-It crackers. Well, those ought to be tasty. Okay, that is my freebies and surprise haul. So I hope you enjoyed, and you have a fabulous rest of your day. Love you, everyone. Bye.